Namaskar. Today I am going to talk on what medicine you should take after getting your hair transplant. Although these medicines are advised by your hair transplant surgeon, but I have seen many of the patients who got his hair transplant done from other places. When they come to me, they said they did not explain. I don't agree to them. It's just not possible that a surgeon who has done the transplant that he might not have advised. Whatever, but I'm to suggest you, although the final decision depends on your surgeon, because every surgeon has got their own protocol of prescribing the medicine after their hair transplant, because they know what was your condition, how many hair you had existing, means the temporary hair, and how much transplant he did for you. So he is the final authority. But I am going to give you some guideline that what medicines are good for you. I divide in 3 phases. First 5 days, then 5 days to almost 14 days, and after 14 days means the long-term planning. First 5 days medicines are advised as a part of surgery. Hair transplant is a surgery. So any surgery, when you get it done, there are some antibiotic, analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and for acidity, medicines are being prescribed. It's a routine. Many of the surgeons, after getting their hair transplant done, they do not advise antibiotic. I'm not going to discuss to give it or not to give, but it's the surgeon's protocol, as I said. But me, if I talk of Rejuvenate Hair Transplant Center, we always prescribe antibiotic after hair transplant for 5 days. Usually azithromycin 500 milligram once a day is prescribed for 5 days. Then another is the analgesic tablet to relieve the pain. Although in FUE there is a negligible pain, and in FUT also the pain is not much. We prescribe at least for first 3 days 1 tablet twice a day after the meal for the pain. Whatever, if you are having it or not, I prescribe at least for 3 days you must take. But if some patients are pain sensitive and they feel that they need it, then they can take once a day or whenever they feel that they are suffering from pain. Another thing is the antacid. It may not be necessary that your surgeon prescribe you any antacid. It can be in the form of a pantoprazole or it can be ranitidine. So against the surgeon's choice, we give. 4th tablet, what we give at Rejuvenate Hair Transplant Center is to reduce the swelling, inflammation. Because surgery has been done from the area from where the graft has been taken out, and the area means the recipient area where the graft has been implanted, you disturb the normal tissue. So that react, so there is an inflammation and edema, and to combat that, we at our center always prescribe like trypsin, chymotrypsin sort of enzymes to reduce the pain. So these are the 4 types of medicine which are usually prescribed after the surgery for 5 days. After 5 days, we do not advise any medicines. Of course, you can take any analgesic tablet during this period, and your surgeon may start the minoxidil and multivitamin after 5 days. Although there is no contraindication of starting the minoxidil even from after the 3rd day onwards after the hair transplant, but some surgeon again they have got their protocol. Some starts after 5 days and some starts after the 10 days. Like at our center, we advise after 10 days because we do not want that the patient pay extra attention during application. He may disturb the follicle. He may not be aware of it, how he should apply. So all looking into all the things, I at least do not advise from 5th day onward, but there are some surgeons who advises routinely application of the minoxidil after 5 days of the hair transplant and multivitamin. Then 6th to 10th day, usually no medicine is given. Head wash, plain water head wash is continued during this period. And from the 10th day onwards for 5-6 days, betadine or any antibiotic shampoo is applied to clean the area, and you rub the area where the gently, and you can clean with the towel. So that's one thing. For 11th day to 15th day, betadine scrub head wash can be advised. We do it. Then from 10th day onwards, other medicines to control your ongoing hair loss. These medicines, mind it very clearly, these medicines are not prescribed for hair transplant point of view, but these medicines are advised for your remaining hair. The remaining hair which were temporary. So to prevent them and to make them better, the hair loss medicines are prescribed. Usually that is minoxidil, finasteride and the multivitamins. So these are the medicines after the hair transplant. First 5 days, 5 to 10th day, and after 10th day I explain you. If you have any query, you can ask us, but it is advisable that whatever the medicine is to be taken, you must ask your surgeon if you have forgotten or if they have forgotten to explain you. Thank you very much.